making cheesy aloo tikki burger. And for this recipe, we'll require these ingredients. Burger tikkis, burger buns, veg burger mayonnaise from funfoods. We'll also require some ketchup, pizza oregano, pizza pasta sauce, cheese slices, and to top it off, we'll require some onions and some tomatoes. Now we'll deep fry our burger tikki and take it out while it's golden brown. After that, we'll preheat our toaster oven and we'll apply oil on both the sides. Guys, after applying oil on the sides of the toaster oven, we'll keep one of the burger buns inside it and close the lid. When the burger buns get moderately cooked, we will take them out. Now we'll take our burger mayonnaise and add ketchup to this. We'll now mix this properly. Do remember that the ratio of the burger mayonnaise to the ketchup should be about 4:1. Now, on one of the burger bun, we'll apply a pizza pasta sauce, and on the other one, we'll apply our prepared sauce. After doing this, guys, we'll place our tikki on either of the sides. Now, we'll add our onions and our tomatoes to the burger. It's time to place the cheese slice on top of the tomato, but at this step, you can also add oregano if you like. Now it's finally time to close our burger and it'll be good to serve.